In this tutorial, I will show you how to duplicate and flip elements on your flag. I'm going to start by selecting this element right here. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a second one by utilizing the duplication feature. You can find the duplicate option right here along the tabs. To use it, all you have to do is click the tab. As you can see, I now have two. You can utilize this feature as many times as you want, whether it be 1, 2, or even 10. Sometimes you want a mirrored image of your element. Luckily, you can accomplish this with our flipping feature available in our flag editing tool as well. You can find it right here. Simply hover over the tab to see your options. You can choose to flip your image vertically or horizontally. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to flip my element horizontally and then move it over here. For more tips, continue to the next tutorial.